inside is very nice. It's just fantastic. The place is very perfect.
There was a lot of activities and different play areas and events, so it was very nice actually.
It was really amazing. Also, there's a lot of activities. My baby really enjoyed everything. He played in the sand, like there is also car wash.
The splash party was the best part, of course.
But he's in there splashing around now and loving it. So yeah, a good addition to any nursery facility. It's nice.
This event was phenomenal. My kids are having fun. They're everywhere now. So thank you for Maple Bear for the invitation and good job.
The event has been fantastic. There's so much to see, so much to look at. It's a great facility and huge facility as well. Lots for the kids to do.
It was an amazing event. Thank you so much.
Everything you would need. Everything is the word.
Magnificent is the word.